Dear students, welcome to my English class. Today I have come to with you English first paper of class 8. Dear students, look at the picture. Do you know who they are? I think you guess that they are Bede. We call them Gypsy. They are Gypsy. Today's lesson is River Gypsies in Bangladesh, Unit 7, Lesson 3. So my dear students, let's start. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer question, read and understand the text, participate in a short paragraph. Look at the picture. What do you see? There are some country boards and some tents. They are gypsies. Dear students, now we will know some new words. Gypsies meaning nomads, travelers. Next, the gypsies are in the habit of nomadic life. What's the meaning of lifestyle? Try to guess the meaning seeing the picture. Right. Lifestyle means existence, way of life, etc. How inhuman lifestyle they lead. Next, culture. What's the meaning of the word culture? Try to understand the meaning seeing the picture. Culture means arts, belief, tradition, etc. Now we will make a sentence with culture. We have our own culture. Thank you, students. Next, nomadic. What's the meaning? Try to understand the picture. Nomadic means temporary, vagabond, like etc. Now we are making a sentence with nomadic. Nomadic life is indeed very difficult. Thank you. Otters. Otters means sea, meaning sea or ocean. There are 7 otters in the world. Tarpaulin. What's the meaning of the word? Try to understand the meaning with the picture. A tent. I think you have understood the meaning. Tarpaulin means canvas, things, thick covers, etc. Or tent. This is a tarpaulin made tent. Toddlers. What's the meaning of the word toddlers? Try to guess. Toddler means infant, minor, baby, kids, etc. Thanks students. Now we will make a sentence with toddlers. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Lies. What's the meaning of the word lies? Try to understand. One kind of insect. Is it insect? Yes. They are insects, parasites, flies, etc. Village women pick up lice sitting in a row. Thanks. Now my dear students, read the passage and try to understand the meaning of the passage. River Gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. The Gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they live a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses and these people are part of our waters. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river bank. You can see their men relaxing in the tents. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by herding, picking up lice in twos or threes sitting in a row. I think you have understood the meaning of the passage. Now we will know more about the lifestyle of gypsies. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive for natural pearls in water. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal pots. Men go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. They can make an evil spirit leave someone's body by magic or spilling special power. Now, dear students, you have known many things about the lifestyle of our river gypsies. Now you have to answer the questions in your own idea. First, who are river gypsies? How do they live? What do river gypsies do in winter? What do river gypsy men do for a living? What do river gypsy women do for a living? Dear students, you have to write the answer of the questions in your notebook. I think you have written the answer. Now we will match the answer with our answer. First, river gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. Second, they live a nomadic life traveling from one place to another. Third, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive for natural parts in water. Fourth, men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal oats. Number 5. Women go from door to door to sell banglis, cosmetics and other things. They also try to heal pain of the old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. Dear students, I think you have write the right answer, and answer may be vary from person to person, but meaning will be the same. Now dear students, we will go next. You have to try out the right answer. The term ethnic is connected with people, plants, animals, fishes. What's the right meaning? What is the correct answer? You are right. The correct answer is people. River gypsies roam around on their boats about dash month a year. What's the correct answer? Right, you have said right. The answer is 6 months. River gypsies live in tents in summer, winter, monsoon, spring. Which are the right and correct answer? Winter. The term nomadic refers to a person living permanently at a place. Traveling from place to place, living in own house. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is living permanently at a place, traveling from one place to place. Next, dear students, now you have a homework. Have you ever seen any gypsies, Bede, snake charmers, or any person traveling things selling things from door to door in your area? If not, imagine such a scenario and write your experience about any one of them. Dear students, you will try to write about a person. Now no more today. Allah Hafiz.